welcome back to the Mn99 truck build. It's been a while since I posted a video. Been a busy, crazy winter with birthdays and stuff, so work. But I finally found some time to get back at it. This is the Mn99. I just cut the back off of, here, and put it up to here, and put it back together. I think that looks pretty good. There's a truck, and all the bed closed in. Painted all the fender flares black. Even done a little bit of detailing around the line with a fine marker, just around the body lines, just to give it a little bit of detail. Put all the accessories back on. Got a new light kit. We got headlights. We got tail lights. ESC is still the same. Everything's still the same, only for the lights for electronics. We're just going to try it with this for now, but we'll find out how well it works. Now, the only thing left to do on this truck that I have is maybe there's a few little gaps in here that I filled in, but they seem to, I don't know, open up as soon as I painted it. So, maybe do that over again, not really sure. Put the tire mounted on the front, and I was thinking of making a rail, maybe a little ladder rack for the back, and a bumper, a real bumper, something a little better. Do something with the shocks. And like I said, I did find shocks for this thing off of another truck that I liked, but I only had 3. So I'll have to order a few more shocks for that. Everything else is still the same, like the steering arm here. It's off of a RGT 110 crawler. It's more like a 112 scale, so it fit on here perfectly. And of course the steering link here. Everything else is still the same so far until something either blows or if I find a good deal on something. But this is the truck for now. Got the gold, black. I think she looks pretty good. I like a little more detail on the interior. I'm not much of a detailer, but I'm going to do my best to do that. And of course, I might order another taillight kit just because I want all the lights working. I'm fussy like that. And anything else, I might actually cut this sunroof out and put a working sunroof in it, just to make it more interesting. Alright, this is an update on that build. We'll have more to come in the near future. Thank you for watching.